In this video, we'll show you how to add a new source to your website. First, go to the WordPress admin and log into your site. Navigate to the Aggregator Sources page and click on the button that says Add a new source. On the next screen, you'll see a field called Source Link under the Details tab. This is where you need to add the RSS feed URL. Once you add the URL, Aggregator will show you a preview of the feed's latest items to the right. If you're not sure how to find the RSS feed URL, try pasting the domain associated with it. Aggregator can automatically detect available RSS feeds, and you'll be able to select which one to use, if there are multiple options. While you're adding a new source, take the time to configure its settings. Aggregator enables you to set how many items or entries the plugin should import and store on your website. The default is 15, but you can increase or decrease it depending on your site's resources and how much content you want to store. When the plugin imports new items over that limit, it will automatically delete older entries to make room. If you want manual approval over what items make it to your site, you can enable the Curate Post setting. This will require you to approve every item before it's imported. Aggregator also enables you to select what post type to assign to the content you import from each source. The default option for free and basic plans is set to Feed Item, which imports items as part of a feed that link back to the original source. If you're on the Plus, Pro or Elite plans, you'll have access to other post type options such as Post, Page and Media. If you select Post, for example, the plugin will import each entry and automatically create a new post for it on your site. This is called Feed to Post, and it's one of Aggregator's most popular features. Using Feed to Post, you can automatically publish posts to your site or create drafts that you can edit and approve manually. Next, you can add your source to a folder for added organization. Finally, Aggregator also includes options to configure how often the plugin will import content from the source you set up. You can also set whether or not to update the content of already imported items with every fetch. When you're done, give your source a name. Then save your feed and import your feed items. And there you have it. You've successfully added a source to your website.